Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Geography with Jason once again, and today we're going to be reviewing the capitals of North America. So I'm going to try and see if I can name the capitals of all of these countries here. And how am I feeling about this? Well, to be honest, not too good. I don't know many capitals, but we'll see how well I can do. So let's go ahead and get started because the timer's already clicking off there. So Port-au-Prince, I reviewed that one yesterday, that's how I knew. Ottawa in Canada, Mexico City, I know these. This one I have no idea, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So what I first like to do is just go through and see which ones I can name. Havana. Dominican Republic, I think I used to know that, I forgot it. Don't know. Washington, I hope I get that one, I'm from there. Dominica, don't know. Nicaragua is Managua. Trinidad and Tobago, don't know. St. Lucia, I'm gonna say St. Lucia just for fun. Nope. Belize is, oh, I know this one. I should. Oh, it's Belize City, right? No, that's not right. Completely forgot that one I used to know. San Jose, Costa Rica, Barbados, don't know. Panama City. Guatemala is, I completely, Guatemala City, right? Guatemala City. Grenada, maybe Grenada? Nope. Honduras, it's Tequis. Wait, doesn't that have a weird name like Tenochtitlan, or is that Tequisicopa? It's one of those two, I believe. Jamaica, I should know that one actually. San Salvador. Now we're just back to where we started, so let's give up and see what we missed. Nassau, Bahamas. Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. I think I knew that. Kingston, Jamaica. I knew that. Tegucigalpa, yeah. Tegucigalpa. Belmopan, Belize. I guess I didn't really know that one. And then we get all of these, which are a little bit more difficult, but let's try and see if we can get a few. Port of Spain, Kingstown, Bridgetown, Roseu, St. John's, Antigua and Barbuda. Okay, so a little bit difficult here. So Port of Spain and Kingstown for those. Wait, Port of Spain is Trinidad and Tobago, Kingstown is St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Okay. Let's try to see if we can get those. Nicaragua, Managua. Jamaica, Kingston. I got that now. Mexico City. Haiti, Port-au-Prince. I think there's hyphens in the, yeah, there we go, in the actual name. Antigua and Barbuda, I don't know. Let's give up and see what it is. St. John's and Roseu for Dominica. Okay, let's try again. St. Kitts and Nevis, I don't know. Let's skip it. Bahamas, Nassau. Yes, Haiti. St. Vincent is, oh, it was like an English name, wasn't it? Kingstown. Wait, Kingston and Kingstown. Okay, I can remember those because those are close. Okay, Honduras. Tegucigalpa. Yes. Grenada, I don't know. Panama is Panama City. Dominica is no idea. Antigua and Barbuda, don't know. Guatemala is Guatemala City. Trinidad and Tobago is, forgot already. Canada, Ottawa. St. Lucia, don't know. Bahamas is Nassau. Haiti, Port-au-Prince. Washington, D.C., I hope I get that one, because I'm from there. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Kingstown. Perfect. Havana. Belize is Belmopan? Yes. Mexico City. El Salvador, San Salvador. St. Kitts and Nevis, don't know. Dominican Republic is Santo Domingo. Costa Rica is San Jose. Hey, we're doing a lot better than before. Kingston. Barbados, don't know. Nicaragua, Managua. 16, that's pretty good. Let's see what we missed. St. John's for Antigua and Barbuda. Roseu for Dominica. Bridgetown. Port of Spain. I'm just going to try and go for those. Ooh, Castries, St. Lucia, and Basseterre. Those are going to be tough, actually. St. John's, Roseu. St. John's, Antigua and Barbuda. Costa Rica, San Jose. Oh, wow. I forgot already. Capital of Trinidad and Tobago is Port of Spain. All right. I'm just gonna, because I know the other ones pretty well now, so if I come across one that I just don't know. Wait, is it Georgetown? Wow. I'm just gonna give up right away so I can see the answer. St. John's. Okay. Managua. Belize is Belmopan. Costa Rica, San Jose. Give me the hard ones. Kingstown. Dominica is Roseau? Roseau? Is that the right one? Roseau. Yeah, I just spelled it wrong. Bridgetown, Barbados. I'm going to remember that one. Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo. Got that one down. St. Kitts and Nevis is like Bastille. No, I don't really know. Basseterre. Okay, I'm getting there. Guatemala City. Basseterre. Awesome. Antigua and Barbuda is St. John's. St. Lucia, though. It had a weird name also. Castries. I think I can actually remember that. St. George's is Grenada. I'm going to try to remember that one. Honduras is Tegucigalpa? Yes. Guatemala City. That was a tough one to spell. Dominica. Oh, I know this. I just had it. S-E-A-U. Wait. Roseau. Okay. Not that close, but almost. St. Lucia is George something, I think? No, Castries. St. George's is Grenada. That's right. Okay, let's try again. Bahamas. I actually don't remember this one. Nassau. That's right. Okay, let's keep going. Honduras is Tegucigalpa. San Salvador. St. Lucia is Castries. Yes, Mexico City. Finally got that. San Jose. Grenada is... Oh, wait. St. George or something like that? St. George? St. George. No, St. George's. I was really close, actually. Okay, we're getting there. Santo Domingo. Honduras is Tegucigalpa. Haiti is Port-au-Prince. Guatemala City. Managua. Washington, D.C. Oh, I know this one. It's like an Port of Spain. There we go. Ottawa. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is Kingstown. St. Lucia is Castries. El Salvador, San Salvador. St. Kitts and Nevis is Bastilleres. What is it? Basseterre. Okay, we're getting there. Washington, Kingston, Panama City, Santo Domingo. This is Basseterre. Perfect. San Salvador. Dominica. Roseau? Yes. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is Kingstown. Barbados. I'm sorry. Bridgetown. I haven't had that one yet, I don't think. At least that I got correctly at one point. Nassau? Man, that one's tough for me for some reason. Washington, D.C. I think I'm going to mix up with a country in Oceania. Mexico, D.C. Yeah, that's great. Guatemala City. Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is Kingstown. Dominica is Nassau. No, R-O-S-A-U. R-O-S-S-A-U? R-O-S-A-U. R-O what? S-E-A-U is Dominica. St. Lucia is Castries. Bahamas is SSAU. Guatemala is Guatemala City. El Salvador, San Salvador. St. Kitts and Nevis is Basseterre. So I got that one more or less down. Tegucigalpa. Santo Domingo. Grenada, that's the tough one. No, St. George's, I remember. Panama City. Trinidad and Tobago was Port of Spain. That's a tough one for me. Barbados. I know. Oh, Bridgetown. I actually have this one in my head. San Jose. Ottawa. I'm doing really well. Belmopan. Haiti is Port-au-Prince. I might be done soon, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get the rest of the islands. Dominica. Dominica is R-O-S-E-A-U. Wow. 1, 2, I think there's one more. Yeah, St. Vincent is Kingstown, Kingston, Antigua and Barbuda. Oh, wow. St. John's? I finally did it. Cool, that was great. So it took me a little while, but that wasn't too bad, but there's only 23 countries, so I didn't think it would take me too long. However, my knowledge was pretty limited with these islands here and the Caribbean islands as well. I didn't have any idea. So hopefully you enjoyed that video, and go ahead and find me in the next quiz. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. It helps me out a lot, so I greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions or concerns, or you just want to comment on how I'm doing, please feel free to leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.